What's up, everybody? I'm back with another tool deals video, and today we got a few deals for you. I gotta make it quick though, because my laptop is on 26%. All right, let's get into it. So first up, I just wanted to ask, Greenworks has a whole 40 volt line of tools, and I gotta tell the truth. These lawnmowers, 20 inches for $264.99 with a battery and charger and all that. That's kind of tempting, man. That's sub Ryobi right there price. So comment below if you've used some Greenworks 40 volt outdoor tools before, cause I'm curious. All right, moving on. I wanted to bring up a few deals. You guys know me. The deals get better and better as we go. But I did want to say, if you're looking for a solid impact driver kit, battery, all that with a nice case, because Menards has their own Masterforce brand. They have their own pack out style case, well organized, nicely put together. I would say that this has some advantages over the new rigid system. Let's just put it that way. But if you were looking for something cheap but high quality, this is the way to go. This impact driver is by no means tiny. It's huge, but I think it's that girth that allows it to produce the numbers that it produces. So it produces 2,000 inch-pounds. It has the auto stop function, 6 different modes. I mean, you can look up here in the right hand corner and check this video. I've done a video on this compared to others, and it's a beast all the way around. It's a beast because it's big, and it puts up the numbers. Fast charger, 2.5 amp hour boost battery, and it performed that way in that video with a 2.5 amp hour battery, where everyone else had at least a 4 amp hour battery. So, saying a lot. $99 on clearance. It's been on clearance for months, and you get the 11% mail-in rebate. Comes down to $88.99. Now, just remember that rebate is going to be a Menards gift card, not like a Visa card or anything like that. So I just wanted to put this out there that is still available, and it's a solid tool. If you ever have any issues with it, all you got to do is take it to a Menards, and it's for all of you that have Menards nearby. You take it to Menards, and they will just swap it out. They'll just give you a new one off the shelf. I love it. I love it. So moving on over to Lowe's. Lowe's has a special buy of the day, and I'm not gonna lie, this is a pretty good deal. So you have this Bosch 3 toolkit. Now let's remember 3 toolkit. This is Lowe's, blows, woes, whatever. Chameleon 5-in-1 drill driver. Not really seeing the 5. I see 1 on the tool, maybe if it's like Metabo. Then we have this right angle, this offset, and another drill chuck there. I'm guessing the hex is there, but that's 1, 2, 3, 4. I don't see the 5, but all right. 4, 5, whatever you want to call it. And a circular saw, and I just see this drill and a circular saw for tools. I dug a little deeper, and they're calling this battery a tool. So I'm not sure what hedges you're cutting, what wood you're cutting, what nails you're driving with this battery, but they calling it a tool. So, anyway. This kit comes with 2 4-amp-hour batteries, rapid charger, circular saw, this 4, 5-in-1. Lowe's, man, the way they really try to mess you up with the verbiage, and then when you say, "Hey, I got this," it was only 4-in-1, they'll blame it on you somehow. Anyway, and it comes with the bag. $537, they're saying, is what this normally costs. Now I dug a little deeper, and that's actually true. It's actually true because you might be confusing this with Bosch's 12 volt, right? Chameleon. This is the 18 volt Chameleon. Usually, all the other companies that have these whatever in ones are all 12 volt tools, but no, Bosch is the 18 volt. They do have a 12 volt, but it's the 18 volt, and it produces a whopping 535 unit watts out. Yeah, we don't know how to measure that. We don't know what that means, but I think it's all right, man. I would say that out of all the 12 volts, obviously this would probably be more powerful and overall kind of better tool, especially if the weight and size is there, but it looks a little bulky on the bottom. Anyway, you add this to cart. This thing turns out to be $219. And what I forgot to say was this whole thing right here, this Chameleon, is normally $319 for this kit. You get the extra battery, you get the circular saw, and you get $100 off. $219. Very, 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 very tempting right there, even on my part. Yeesh. Very good deal right there. And don't forget that at Lowe's, you can take advantage of Rakuten. Rakuten, if you're new to it, it's a cashback if it pops up. It's a free cashback extension that gives you cashback on lots of purchases at different stores. And here, Lowe's will give you 2% cash back. And if you're new to Rakuten, you use my link in the description, you'll get $30 cash back on your first purchase. All right, you have to use my link to get the $30 cash back, though. If you don't use my link, you won't get the $30 cash back. So make sure you use the link, sign up. Super sweet in this deal. You're under $200, and I'm so tempted. Moving on. All right, so we're over at Home Depot now with some Milwaukee deals. Lots, all these are buy one, get ones, and I don't know why this picture is so small. Probably because you shouldn't fool with this. I just want to bring this up for anybody that thought this was a good deal. Here's the problem with this vacuum. One, it's expensive, okay? Two, there's no way to stand this up on your own. I can't stand vacuums like that. I made the mistake of buying one because I was excited, not this, but in particular, and realized, hey man, this thing can't stand up. You got to prop it up against something, and it takes up too much space. So I'm just telling you to skip this. Go find you something over at Direct Tools. Nothing is really shipped to home right now, but they have plenty of good deals on battery-operated Hoovers that pop up for like $70, $60, $50, reckless prices. And they're brand new. So don't boo with it. Moving on. This high-speed ratchet. You add this to the cart and with the free gift, and this thing becomes $150. Not a bad deal right there. That's not terrible. I think we may see some better deals during the holidays, but then again, we may not, because as I mentioned in the Facebook group, I ordered something and had everything shipped to home. Like this, I'll show you what it is. It's this down here. I ordered this, had everything shipped to my house, and tried to go return the battery, and it was not happening. They wouldn't let me. Now, what I'm gonna have to do is probably just mail back the battery, and it should be fine. But it looks like Home Depot is trying to work a way to prevent people from doing the so-called hack. So if you're messing around with this, I would just say have one, shipped to one store and another shipped to another store, something like that. Then go pick it up if you're near Home Depot. But $150. I'm saying all that to say, consider that during the holidays, you might just be paying $199 and getting all the stuff, and you're going to be left up to Facebook Marketplace or some other tool marketplace that comes up and selling it there. So just keep that in mind. Moving on, I talked about this right angle drill yesterday. I still am not a huge fan of it. And I did end up getting the Metabo for $89, right? What was it, 89 even? 89, and it came with the handle, and that was it. I think it's just a better drill. And 18 volt at that. So I ended up getting that. But this comes out to be $50 something. I don't remember off the top of my head when I keep adding this stuff to the cart, because we got a whole bunch of them. They're not going to give up the right price. It's still saying $99. We'll come back to that. But it's like $50 something. So not a bad deal for $50 something if you want to keep the red and black. Moving on, we have this, and I'm not like really in the thing here. So let's go. We have this M12 Surge impact driver. All right. The Surge version is a hydraulic system going on, and it's smoother, it's quieter, right? It doesn't produce as many beans as the regular version, but it's smoother and quieter. And depending on your job or your hobby, you don't need all that extra stuff, and you prefer less vibration on your hand. Lots of people love this thing, and $149, you add this to cart, it becomes, what did it say? $103. Not a bad deal right there for a hydraulic impact driver. Last but not least, and we're going to double back, this flashlight. You add the free tool, the free battery, and this thing becomes $35.54. And I mentioned this like a week ago. That's not a bad deal for this thing. I got mine. I'm using it. Here's some interesting things that I've experienced. It has like a dot in the middle, and it's super duper bright. It advertised that it has this, it can go 700 yards. That's because of that single dot. And I don't know, it's kind of weird when you don't need distances of 200-300 yards. That dot a little bit gets in the way. It's too bright. And in this, I don't really know what to say. It's too bright, and your looking at the light around the dot, it's hard to explain. And I know they don't have an adequate video here. They're not going to show that dot nonsense. Well, there you go. You kind of saw the dot a little bit in the beginning. Well, anyway. Do I like it? Do I feel like it's worth $35? I think you can find that Energizer battery is much better. Well, for the money, I feel like this flashlight is better. I have this. I've had it for a few years. I love it. Fits in your pocket. And, I don't know. I just like it a lot better. The ergonomics of the Milwaukee is cool. And if you have a 6 amp hour or 4 amp hour battery, you can stand it up, and that's convenient. But if you're holding it, I prefer this Energizer personally. And you can go over to Lowe's and get that Energizer flashlight for $29 instead of the $38 at Home Depot, which is a wow difference. Plus, again, you get your 2% cash back with Rakuten. So I would prefer to go over there. Well, for this, you might not want to do Rakuten. Do the 3% cash back with Retail Me Not, because you're not going to get that $30 cash back, because this is right under $30. You got to spend $30 to get the $30. So you want to do Retail Me Not here. Same deal, free cash back extension. Now let's go back to this other, what were we trying to see? This thing right here, right? So we want to go here and we want to see what this will be. All right, and this thing breaks down to be $59. I was going to say 57, but $59.77 is what it is. And that's it for today's video. Hopefully it was helpful. If I've helped you guys save some money today, I please ask that you like, comment, subscribe, share the video. I'm trying to get to 100,000 subscribers in the next 11 months. I ask for your help and helping me do it. You guys have been killing the Facebook group. Thank you for sharing all your deals. And I will see you guys next time. Thank you.